Video 4, I showed you how to curve edges. Now I'm going to show you how to create a scalloped edge, which is slightly more decorative, but will show another skill in 2D design. You want to keep your circles consistent, so I'll go to the circle tool, and I'm going to go to step lock this time. And I'm going to start right at the edge, pull my circle, and I actually want it only 5mm wide. Half centimetre, and I can see how big it is if I look at the rel. Actually, at the minute, that is a centimetre. So I'm going to go, actually 5 is fine. I'm going to make it a centimetre wide. That'll be fine. Okay, so I can tell from when I dragged it out, the rel was 5, but that was not, that was the radius. So I'm lining it up there. I'm going to make my centre point on the line. So my yellow box here, the line of the ruler at the bottom is running straight through the centre. So there's my scallop. And click off that one, and there you can see it. Now at the minute, obviously, we've got a line here, and if the laser cutter were to cut this as a black line, I would just end up with a pointy rounded edge, like if you were drawing a cartoon ocean, you know, when you do those bendy lines to draw the top of the sea. But I want mine to be curved at the bottom, sort of like a cartoon little market stall where you've got the top of the fabric and it curves, or a shop. Nice stropey. So I'm going to copy that and paste it. There we are. I'm going to line them up with one another. They need to be parallel. Brilliant. So they are looking nice. Highlight them so I don't have to copy and paste 17 of these. I'm going to do it this way. Make sure they are touching. You don't want any gaps, otherwise your scallops are not going to be consistent. I've got 4 of those now, so now I can copy those 4. Make sure you're on your centre line, drag it across. There you are, nice scalloped edge. Do it one more time, dragging it across. There we are. Aha! What's happened here? We have a slight issue. There is a gap. It is not a problem. What I'm going to do, highlight them all. And I'm just going to drag them to stretch them to the edge. And I've still got consistent size. So that's absolutely fine. Now, I'm going to go to the delete any tool. So at your bottom, if you haven't used the cut yet, at the bottom here, you'll have the delete any. If you take your mouse and hold that button, these other tools will come up. And you want this one with the red line through the black horizontal line. Delete part of an object between the nearest 2 intersections. So you're going to click that one. And you are going to delete these top sections. Goodbye. You have to click all the way along. There you are. Lovely. The next thing you're going to delete are these horizontal lines. Goodbye. And what you will have ended up with is a nice curved edge, which you can use for decorative finishes on your work. If you're feeling a bit arty, that is how you create a scalloped edge.